Hello everyone, in this video I would like to tell you about how to create a progress bar using HTML and CSS. First, open VSCode and write HTML5 code. Then, create a div element container with CSS class container. After that, create a div element with CSS class progress. And create the last div element with CSS class progress bar. Second, create CSS class container with width 300px. Then create a CSS class progress with the following code like this. And after that, create one more class progress bar with background color pink. And finally, use a keyframes keyword to define animation of progress bar and make sure start from width 0% to 100%. Thank you so much for watch. If you are new, please help to subscribe to get more video.